Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, let's start today video with little bit of cleaning. So right now I am sweeping the house, for which I use this kind of broom. So this is my daily routine. I need to clean the house. And in background ma chai I am playing my own YouTube video because I love to watch my own YouTube video, and I feel very excited to watch my videos. I don't know why. Do you also feel the same, guys, to watch your own videos? So yeah, I'm sweeping the house, and after that I mop the house. And this is the food for Maya. Maya is our dog. So this is the dog food: pork, dog food, and rice. So see, she's waiting for the food, and you might be seeing the cone in her neck, and you might be thinking why we are torturing her. No, we are not torturing her. So recently she got a fight in with her auntie, that is her auntie dog, and then she bite her foot, and because of which she was licking her wound every time. So doctor suggested to put the cone so that the wound will not get infected. So we put it. So after the dog finishes the food, she every time pee in the balcony. So I need to clean the balcony so that there won't be any kind of insects and bacteria and virus in the balcony which will come inside. So for which I put little bit of Lysol in the water and just clean the balcony with it. So easy to do it, and the balcony also get very clean. So yeah, this is how I clean my balcony. And after all this, let's prepare our biryani for today's lunch. So for biryani, I'm using long grain basmati rice, lal kilako, and I'm using two scoop of basmati rice. And first your rice lai chai pakhalera I'm going to soak it for 30 minutes. And I have onions, tomato, and some spices: bay leaves, elaichi, dalchini, luang, sukmel, and so many more, and chili. And this is my new pressure cooker. See, I recently bought it at 890 peso. And I have heat up little bit of oil in the pan. So we're going to deep fry the onion first. Deep fry as in deep fry till it become red, real red. Oh no, or black bhanda ni huncha. So this is the marinated chicken. I marinated, keep it overnight so that it will be real nice. So our onions are about to be done. So yes, see. So after the onions are done, we'll just keep it aside and start to prepare our chicken, for which we have added oil, spices, and then onions. The tomatoes. And after the tomatoes are done, we'll add the chicken in it. And this is the rice. So we are just cooking this rice like 75%, and the rest 25% will cook along with the meat. So after 5 minutes, it's 75% cooked. So rest will cook with the meat. So my tomatoes are properly cooked, so I'm going to add chicken on it. So yes, this is the marinated chicken is going into the tomato sauce. So after the chicken is done, so I added the potato also in it. So after the chicken is done, we are going to add the rice above the chicken. See, and we are going to garnish it with coriander, and then oginako deep fried onions, and then I use egg also. But it depends on how you cook it. So this is my way of cooking it. You also can do it on your own way. So as a garnish garera chai, I'm going to cook it on low medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. So I'm not going to pressure cook it. I'm just covering with the pressure cooker, but we are not going to whistle it. So the biryani is done, and first Nigel is going to eat it. How's it? Be like, give.
Very good.
I'll try later, no? Then I will know is it good or not. Eat with their achar.
No, I don't want spicy. I have stomach.
How come?
I'm trying to not
You
spicy, I know.
Achar you don't like?
No, I like my stomach.
Oh. Kasto cha?
This biryani is very good. It is very good. It is biryani. It is very good. What a very to chane.
अच्छा है हिंदी वर्ड अच्छा है से अच्छा है
अच्छा नहीं. Very nice too.
बहुत अच्छा है
It's like you go to the Indian restaurant eh? You ask them, hello sir, what would you like to eat sir?
Hi guys, namaste, welcome back to my channel. It's me Kimkala, but you can call me Kim. Mabuhay! Kamusta po? Ako si Kimkala Buddha. Welcome back to my channel guys. Ani आदाब नमस्ते आपको मेरे चैनल में स्वागत है So guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel. तपाईलाई मेरो च्यानलमा स्वागत छ. So if you are watching me for the first time अथवा तपाईले मेरो च्यानल सब्स्क्राइब गर्नु भएको छैन भने please go subscribe my channel at first and don't forget to subscribe hit the bell icon near to the subscriber button to get the notification as soon as I post the video. So guys, I am back again with the mukbang video अनि आजको mukbang मा छ तपाईले थाहा पाइसक्नुभयो with the title and the clips in the beginning. So I'm having biryani, chicken biryani. So this is my second time making chicken biryani. First ma चाहिँ मैले नेपालमा बनाएको थिएँ and this is my second time here in Philippines making chicken biryani. So yeah, let's get digging into the food. I'm so excited. यो चाहिँ पिरो अचार हो. So I'm going to have biryani with पिरो अचार. Oh my god. See the drumstick. यो चाहिँ एकछिनपछि खान्छु. सुरुमा चाहिँ माम खाऊँ. So हातले खानुको मजा चाहिँ is so different. So पहिलो घाँस चाहिँ तपाईहरुलाई It's nice. And by the way guys, today I'm wearing kurta surah.
Wow!
आज यो बिरयानी बनाउँदाखेरि चाहिँ कस्तो त्यो स्मेल छ नि त्यो राइसको स्मेल चाहिँ ठ्याक्क बासमती भन्दा नि चामल चाहिँ बासमती होइन तर राइसको स्मेल चाहिँ ठ्याक्क नेपालमा माम पाक्दाखेरि आउँछ नि खाना पाक्दाखेरि त्यति आएको So Philippines आएको म मे जुन जुलाई अगस्त 4 महिना भयो. So you might be thinking के सिकेँ मैले Filipino language Tagalog. So let me say you Filipino guys what I have learned. Kamusta po? Ako si Kimkala Buddha. The first thing Nigel taught me when I came here was wala kung pera. Wala kung pera. This means paisa छैन, no money. Yeah. And makano po मैले makano po. Here too, like they use po for respect. And how we say thank you is salamat po. In Hindi means no. I recently discovered. And I know one drop bad word also, but I'm not going to say it now because my channel is family channel. Wow! There's no bad word. Maraming. Something was there, I forgot. Maraming. Salamat po. I forgot. There was something like that. Never mind. But मेरो chili चाहिँ just कस्तो was. Just for so. Because achar is मेरो. Ouch! नेपाली achar. धेरै भयो क्या अचार है. अचार पनि दाल हाले जस्तै. So यो week चाहिँ मैले weekly vlog I didn't make it because like continuous, oh my god, rain, not only rain but like so windy, so we don't go anywhere. घरै बस्यो because it was so rainy and very windy. अनि चाहिँ हिजो दिउँसोदेखि चाहिँ sunny भइरहेको छ. Sunny weather, good weather. पिरो गर्मी भयो. गर्मी भयो. मजा आयो तर धेरै भयो. हड्डी चाहिँ यस्तरी खान्छ मलाई. पसिना. So guys, as you can see, मैले चाहिँ सबै खाएर सिधाएको छु except of this chili. यो अचारै पिरो भयो, so I couldn't eat the chili, extra chili, because my achar was very spicy. So yes guys, so if you like the video, do like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And you can also make biryani at your home because yeah, it's all expensive, so but still, if you want to eat, you can make at home. Every time when concluding I burp, I'm so sorry. So yes guys, so मेरो recent vlogहरू हेर्नु भएको छैन भने please गएर हेरिदिनु होला, and keep loving me, keep supporting me, keep subscribing my channel, no please. Subscribe my channel, please. Nobody is subscribing nowadays and I feel so sad. And please watch the video also full. Full means like full. Full. Full means like full. Yeah. So those who are still watching my videos, loving me so much, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and keep loving me, keep supporting me, and one day we will be in that position and we will show the world, yeah, we can also do it. So yes guys, thank you for watching me till now. So don't forget to subscribe my channel, and thank you for loving and supporting me.